Hey, this is James. Today we're going to be doing an installation of the Buddy Kick dual saddle seat. This seat is available in black or classic brown, and it has a vintage dual saddle style, which is great for you and or a passenger. It offers comfort and a unique look for your Buddy Kick 125i. These are available at Scooterworks.com, and we will be doing the installation video shortly. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, this seat provides both comfort and long-lasting performance. The dual saddle design offers ergonomic support for both driver and passenger, and it offers a seamless style, as you can see, with a unique dual saddle, classic styling look. We have dual stitching here, and you will see that the installation is very easy on this. It uses the same seat pan as the existing Buddy Kick. Seat latch is already there, and you're going to have a very easy installation of this. It's a great way to improve not only the comfort and ergonomics of your vehicle, but also get a different style and a unique look for your bike. Installation of the Buddy Kick dual saddle seat is going to be one of the easiest things you do today. It's quite simply two fastening points. First thing you're going to want to do is unlatch the seat using the ignition switch and lift the seat up. Next, we're going to use a 10mm socket and an impact gun to remove the seat. The fastening points for the Buddy Kick seat are near the front of the seat bucket, right at the hinge point. Okay, so we're going to locate the two fastening points for your seat, and they're right here at the top of the hinge. As you can see, there's two nuts. These are 10mm nuts. I'm going to use an impact wrench to remove these. Once you've got the nuts loosened, we'll just spin them off here. And you're going to save these because you need them for the installation of the new dual saddle seat. So just put these off to the side. And now we're going to remove the seat from the seat latch. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth, left to right. And you'll see the seat comes right off, and the hinge is there ready for installation of the new dual saddle seat. After removing your original Buddy Kick seat, grab the dual saddle seat, and we're going to slide it onto the hinge, basically in reverse operation from removal. So you see here, locate the two posts. They're going to go through these two holes on the hinge, and just kind of wiggle it back and forth like we did, and you can lean it up against the handlebars, and you see it'll sit and rest on those two posts. And now we're going to reinstall the hardware. Once you've slid the new dual saddle seat on here at the hinge, we're going to just hand tight the old 10mm nuts that you removed from the previous seat. And I always like to twist them on hand tight before I use tools to tighten them further. So you can see here, we're ready to install with our wrenches now going forward. Grab your 10mm and simply put it on and tighten away. And your Buddy Kick seat is now installed. These are somewhat slotted, so if you need to slide it to the left or to the right, we do have the ability to do that. You can loosen a little bit and position it slightly left or right if you find that when you go to latch the seat closed that you're having an issue. All right, you just installed your new seat. As you can see, we have weather stripping here that sits around the seat bucket. This is brand new and very firm. So when you go to latch your seat, you notice you're probably going to have to push a little bit harder than you did previously. And that's just because you have all new weather stripping. So don't feel like you installed it improperly if you find a little bit of resistance upon closing the seat. So just check the latching of the seat. You just simply drop the seat here and give a nice firm push like this, and you should feel it latch. You pull up to make sure that it's latched securely. and test to make sure it releases. And you do that a few times just to make sure everything's working properly. Just give it a nice firm push and pull up, and that will tell you if it's latched. And you will notice it is firmer than previously, and that's just because you got great new weather stripping that protects water from entering in your seat bucket area. Once you've latched the seat, you can see you've changed the look of your buddy kick quite a bit. We chose black for this bike because this bike came with black grips from the factory, but you could also install the brown seat and match the brown grips. Those are available at Scooterworks.com as well. The dual saddle seat gives you an opportunity to really make a unique looking vehicle. It also makes it very comfortable for you. Make a note, the seat height changes by about 3/4 of an inch with the installation of this dual saddle seat. The buddy kick has about a 29.5 inch seat height normally. This seat is slightly higher than that at 30 inches, 30 1/4 inches, so it raises seat height about 3/4 of an inch. For those of you that are interested in seat height, just make a note of that. As you can tell, it changes the look quite a bit, and we're going to go right off into the sunset. Visit us at Scooterworks.com. This is James. Thanks for watching, and look forward to talking to you on the next video.